Chevrolet is gearing up for one of the most important powertrain shifts in years, officially expanding its Duramax factory to meet skyrocketing demand for its 2027 diesel engines. While the headlines simply say Chevy expands Duramax plant, the real story runs much deeper. The move signals how General Motors sees the future of heavy-duty trucks, what buyers can expect from the next generation of Duramax engines, and why competitors like Ford and Ram should be paying very close attention. This expansion isn't just about building more engines, it's about restructuring GM's entire diesel strategy for the second half of the decade. And according to powertrain engineers, supplier partners, and industry forecasters, the 2027 Duramax program could become one of the most significant turning points in GM's truck history. In this video, we break down exactly why Chevy is investing now, what major changes are coming, and what this expansion means for the 2027 Silverado HD, Sierra HD, and the entire diesel market. Why Chevy is expanding the Duramax factory. Now, Chevy's decision to expand the Duramax engine facility stems from three major forces hitting the truck market at the same time. 1. Heavy-duty truck demand is surging. The HD truck market has grown steadily for the past 5 years, but starting in 2023-2024, demand exploded. Fleet buyers, towing customers, RV owners, and contractors are all buying diesel HD trucks at record levels. With the construction boom and infrastructure spending continuing into 2027, analysts expect HD truck sales to grow by another 15 to 20%. Chevy simply cannot afford to fall behind in production capacity. The current Duramax output is strong, but not strong enough to meet projected 2026-2028 demand, especially if GM plans to increase the power and complexity of the next-gen Duramax engines. Number 2. EPA 2027 regulations are coming. Starting in 2027, diesel engines will face stricter emissions requirements. Manufacturers must engineer cleaner-burning engines with improved aftertreatment systems, diesel particulate controls, and new catalytic technologies. A larger factory allows Chevy to implement more advanced production systems, test more engines, and integrate newer emissions hardware directly into the assembly line. 3. The 2027 Duramax engine is not a minor refresh. According to insiders, the 2027 Duramax program includes revised cylinder heads, stronger internal components, upgraded turbocharging architecture, next-gen injection systems, enhanced noise and vibration control, a redesigned emissions suite, a new control module platform. This isn't a tune-up. It's a major redesign that requires higher output, new tooling, new robots, and more workers. A bigger factory is the only way to launch the new generation on time. What the factory expansion includes. GM hasn't detailed every upgrade, but experts close to the supply chain have confirmed several major enhancements. More high-precision machining capacity. Modern diesel engines require ultra-tight tolerances. The 2027 Duramax is expected to use even more precise components, especially in the fuel system and turbo area, to comply with emissions rules while boosting performance. Machining equipment must be upgraded to support this accuracy. Advanced quality testing centers. GM is adding additional test cells capable of running engines at higher pressure, higher thermal loads, and more aggressive cycles. This supports the durability targets Chevy is aiming for. More automation for consistency. Duramax engines already have automated assembly lines, but the 2027 era plant will have expanded robotic stations for block assembly, injector installation, turbo integration, emissions hardware mounting. This improves both reliability and output speed. Space for new emissions technology. This may be the biggest reason for expansion. 2027 engines require larger catalytic units, improved DEF systems, more sensors, exhaust treatment changes. By expanding the plant, Chevy can fully integrate these parts rather than adding them post-assembly. What this means for the 2027 Duramax engine. The expansion strongly hints at a major next-gen Duramax coming in 2027. While Chevy hasn't released official numbers, industry experts and internal documents point to several likely improvements. Number 1. Higher horsepower and torque. The current 6.6-liter Duramax already puts out impressive numbers, but insiders expect another 30 to 70 horsepower. another 60 to 150 pound-feet of torque. Why? Because Chevy is preparing to counter Ford's Power Stroke and Ram's Cummins as the 2027 diesel war heats up. A stronger block, improved turbo efficiency, and higher injection pressures will get them there. Number 2. Cooler, cleaner combustion. The next-gen Duramax is expected to run at higher cylinder pressure, improved air density, advanced cooling circuits, more efficient burn cycles. This improves power and fuel economy simultaneously. 3. Better towing performance. Expect improvements in sustained towing power, grade shifting logic, heat management under load, exhaust brake performance. Some engineers believe Chevy will introduce a more advanced heavy-duty towing mode with intelligent thermal control. 4. Quieter operation. One consistent complaint about modern diesels is noise. Chevy is reportedly adding improved acoustic shielding, redesigned injectors, new vibration dampers. A quieter Duramax would be a huge selling point, especially as diesel engines compete with EV quietness. Expert insights. What industry specialists are saying. To understand the real significance, you have to listen to engineers and analysts who follow GM's powertrain moves closely. Here's what experts are predicting. Diesel powertrain engineer, retired from GM. The 2027 Duramax will be the most advanced diesel GM has ever built. The factory expansion isn't optional. It's the only way to support the complexity of the new design. Expect big improvements in emissions, performance, and durability. Automotive industry analyst. GM is doubling down on diesel for the long term. Many assumed electric HD trucks would arrive by now, but the market isn't ready. Chevy expanding Duramax production is a clear sign that diesel HD platforms are here to stay. Supplier engineering manager. Next-generation emissions components take up more space, and integrating them on the line requires new processes. The expansion allows Chevy to build cleaner engines without slowing production. Truck market forecaster. Chevy sees a major sales opportunity. Ford and Ram have dominated the diesel market for years. With the right engine in 2027, Chevy could flip that narrative. How the expansion affects 2027 Silverado HD and Sierra HD. Chevy and GMC's heavy-duty trucks benefit directly from the upgraded Duramax plant. Here's what buyers can expect. 1. More available trucks. Right now, Duramax engines often become constrained during peak buying seasons. The expanded plant gives GM much more flexibility to keep up with demand throughout the year. 2. More trim levels with diesel options. If the engine supply increases, GM can offer diesel options on packages that previously only got gas engines. Expect more diesel-available fleet trims, more mid-level trims with Duramax accessibility. This broadens the market considerably. 3. More specialized heavy-duty variants. Insiders suggest GM wants more diesel-focused variants, like Towmax versions, worksite durability packages, and premium towing editions. The upgraded factory makes these niche models possible. Why this should worry Ford and Ram. The diesel truck landscape is dominated by 3 giants: Duramax, Power Stroke, and Cummins. For years, Ford and Ram have held the psychological lead in diesel bragging rights. The 2027 Duramax expansion could change that. 1. Chevy is building for higher output. Ford and Ram now know Chevy is coming into 2027 with the ability to build more engines and more advanced ones. 2. A cleaner diesel will be a big advantage. Stricter emissions rules will hit all manufacturers. If Chevy cracks the 2027 puzzle first, it will gain a competitive lead that lasts years. 3. Towing wars are returning. Buyers care deeply about torque numbers, long-grade towing power, engine braking, heat management. A more powerful Duramax means Ford and Ram need to respond quickly. 4. Reliability reputation could shift. Cummins has long been the reliability king, and Power Stroke has made large strides. But a redesigned Duramax with stronger components and tighter tolerances could boost GM's long-term reliability standing. The broader strategy behind GM's move. While it looks like a simple factory expansion, GM's strategy is actually far more calculated. GM is strengthening its dual powertrain future. GM knows that electric heavy-duty trucks aren't ready, fleets still rely on diesel, towing EVs long distances remains impractical. So they're investing in both. 1. Long-term diesel. 2. Gradual electrification. This expansion is part of a balanced long-term approach. A bigger Duramax factory means more control, By expanding the plant, GM reduces reliance on outside suppliers, stabilizes the diesel pipeline, and increases resilience against global shortages. GM wants to retake the diesel crown. Chevy has been gaining market share slowly. With the 2027 upgrade, GM is clearly aiming to dominate the diesel conversation again. What this means for truck buyers. For drivers, contractors, ranchers, farmers, and fleets, this is all good news. Better engines. The 2027 Duramax will almost certainly deliver more power, more torque, improved reliability, cleaner emissions, quieter operation, more availability. No more long waiting periods because the factory ran out of engines. Long-term diesel support. GM is proving it's committed to diesel through at least the mid-2030s, something many buyers were worried about. Lower long-term ownership costs. More efficient engines, plus cleaner emissions, plus stronger components, equals better fuel economy and lower maintenance over time. Final expert takeaway. The expansion of the Duramax factory isn't merely a production increase, it's a strategic declaration. Chevy is signaling that diesel remains central to the future of heavy-duty trucks. Experts agree that the 2027 Duramax will introduce major leaps in performance, emissions technology, and durability, and the expanded plant will support the increased complexity and higher demand expected over the next decade. For GM, this move strengthens their competitive position. For truck buyers, it delivers stronger engines and more availability. And for the industry, it proves one thing: diesel isn't going anywhere anytime soon, especially not Duramax.